First, let's set up our database. I'll open XAMPP Manager OS X and go to Manage Servers. Here, I just click Start All, though in reality, we only need MySQL database for this activity. Next, open Safari or any browsers and go to localhost phpMyAdmin. Now, I'll create a new database. I'll click New. On the sidebar, I name it last name _ blog _ db. Of course, use your own last name for your version, then click Create. Now, let's create our first table, the users table. Go to the SQL tab next to structure and type this. ID int auto increment primary key creates a unique ID that automatically increases every time a new user registers. Username is set to varchar100. That means it's a text field that can hold up to 100 characters. Password varchar255 stores the hash password securely. And click Go. And we've successfully created our users table. Now, let's create another table for posts. ID is again the unique identifier for each post. User ID connects the post to the user who created it. Content text holds the blog content. Created at timestamp default current timestamp automatically records when the post was created. Foreign key user ID links each post to a specific user. On delete cascade means if the user is deleted, all their posts are also deleted. Click Go, and now our database is ready. Now let's move up to VS Code. Oh wait, I actually forgot. Let's go to the XAMPP folder and then open htdocs and create a folder named last name _ mini blogging platform. Again, use your own last name. Then open this folder in VS Code. Let's start with our first file, registered.html. We use the form tag to collect the user's data. The action equals register. That PHP means that when the form is submitted, it will send the data to our register.php file for processing. Method equal post is used for sending data securely. The required attribute ensures the fields are not empty before submission. Also, in my demo, you'll notice I type quickly. That's thanks to VS Code IntelliSense. For example, when I type input type equal text, IntelliSense automatically completed the line. It saves time while coding. New MySQLi connects our PHP file to MySQL database. $_post username and $_post password receive the form data. Password_hash securely encrypts the password before saving it. We use an insert query to add a new user. If successful, the user is redirected to the login page. We start the session so that the user stays logged in while browsing. The code checks if the username exists and then verifies the password using password_verify. If correct, it saves the user info in the session and redirects to the home page. Now, let's display posts and allow users to create new ones. This page greets the login user, allows posting, and shows all posts from the database, both the users and others. The join query combines the users and posts tables to display the username beside the post content. This file handles saving new posts to the database. It checks if the user is logged in, gets the post content, and inserts it into the posts table. After that, it redirects back to home.php to show the new post. Finally, logout.php simply destroys the current session and redirects the user back to the login page. Now it's time to test. In the browser, I'll go to http localhost lastname_mini plugin_platform /register.html. I'll register a new account, for example, username Francis Zamora, the password ABC123, then log in using those credentials. Once logged in, I can see the dashboard Welcome from Zamora and a post box. I'll type Hello World and click Post. And tada! It appears below with the timestamp. Then I log out, register another account, change Zamora, and post Hi Universe. When I go back to the homepage, both posts appear, showing that the database and sessions worked perfectly.